Hello, my name is Craig Carlson. I'm the Director of Technical Services here at KBRS. And today I want to tell you why you should choose the KBRS ShowerSlope versus our competitors. KBRS has several standard sizes. We also have the custom option where you can have any size, any shape, any drain location. We offer seamless waterproofing. Now let me show you how fast and easy it is to install the KBRS ShowerSlope versus our competitor.
Well, I surrender. I have about a half an hour of work left. Craig has been done on the KBRS side for about 2 hours, so I give up, sir.
Marcus, thank you very much for your time today. Just want to thank everybody for watching this video. I think it's safe to say that KBRS is the way to go for installing a shower system. It's fast, it's easy, it gets the job done.